Full day boat safari at Sundarban National Park, the world's largest mangrove forest. We provide boat and customized tour package for you and your family. Explore Sundarban with us. Your vacation, our responsibility. Full day boat safari at Sundarban National Park, the world's largest mangrove forest. We provide boat and customized tour package for you and your family. Explore Sundarban with us. Your vacation, our responsibility. In the evening, you can enjoy folk songs at your hotel or resort with luxury food arrangements. Book your Sundarban trip now with us at a right price. Our booking number